Everyone is talking about AI replacing jobs, but nobody is talking about how regular people are quietly using AI to replace their income without quitting their job. Today, I'm breaking down 3 AI systems that can realistically replace a full-time paycheck even if you're starting from zero. No hype, no coding degree, no crypto nonsense, just real systems people are running right now. Let's get into it. AI digital products, the silent moneymaker. This is the fastest AI income model I've ever seen work. Here's how it works. You use AI to create digital products, things like checklists, guides, templates, prompt packs, Notion, dashboards. You don't need to be an expert. You don't need to show your face. And you don't need inventory. AI helps you research what people want, create the product, write the sales page, even design the graphics platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and Shopify, handle delivery automatically. Once the product is live, it can sell 24/7, even while you sleep. Most beginners start with products priced between $7 and $29. At just 5 sales a day, that's $1,000 plus a month from one product. Now imagine stacking multiple products, AI content plus affiliate automation. This is where YouTube, TikTok, and Pinterest come in. You don't need to be a creator. You need to be a system builder. Here's the loop. AI helps you create short form or long form content. That content promotes software tools, courses, marketplaces. You earn a commission every time someone signs up. Faceless YouTube channels are crushing this. So are Pinterest accounts. So are TikTok slideshow videos. AI writes scripts, hooks, captions, descriptions. Your job is to upload and stay consistent. One video can earn for months or years if it ranks. This is how people quietly build $2,000, $5,000, even $10,000 months without being influencers. AI services, the fastest cash flow. If you want money fast, this is it. Businesses are desperate for help with content creation, automation, chatbots, social media, email systems. Most don't care how it's done. They care that it works. You use AI to deliver faster, cheaper, better. Simple services can charge $300 to $1,500 per client monthly retainers. Zero overhead. You don't need to build software. You just package AI results as a service. This is how beginners replace income the quickest. The real truth about AI income. AI won't replace everyone's job, but people who know how to use AI will replace the people who don't. The winners aren't the smartest. They're the ones who build systems instead of scrolling. If you want to learn how to build these step by step, subscribe, because the next videos break each system down in detail. Like the video if this opened your eyes. Comment system if you want the exact tools. And subscribe, because this series is just getting started.